Welcome to my channel, Skyward Stories. Listen, when she starts pulling away, your first instinct is probably to panic, to chase harder, to text more, to ask what's wrong, to try to fix whatever you think you broke. And that's exactly what pushes her further away. Because here's what most men don't understand. When a woman pulls away, she's not testing your persistence. She's testing your confidence. She's watching to see if you'll crumble the moment she creates distance. And if you do, you've just confirmed exactly what she suspected, that you need her more than she needs you. I'm going to show you exactly what to do when she pulls away. Not theories, not nice guy tactics. The actual psychological playbook that makes her stop, reconsider, and come running back. By the end of this, you'll understand why chasing her is the worst thing you can do and the counterintuitive move that flips everything in your favor. So, let's talk about the moment that confuses most men. When everything seems fine, and then suddenly she goes cold. Why she pulled away, the brutal truth. Why she pulled away, and it's not what you think. Picture this. Last week she was texting you constantly, laughing at your jokes, making plans. The energy was there. Then overnight everything changed. Messages take hours to get a reply. Her responses are short, dry. She's suddenly busy. Every time you suggest meeting up, you replay every conversation in your head. What did I say? What did I do wrong? And you start overcompensating, double texting, sending paragraphs when she sends a word, asking if everything's okay. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. She didn't pull away because of something you said. She pulled away because of something she felt, or more accurately, something she stopped feeling. Attraction isn't logical. It doesn't care about how nice you've been, how much effort you've put in, how perfect you've been as a potential partner. Attraction responds to one thing: uncertainty. When she knows she has you, when your attention is guaranteed, when there's zero risk of losing you, her brain stops working to keep you interested. You've become predictable, safe, and safety in the early stages of attraction is the kiss of death. Every text you send trying to re-engage her, it removes more uncertainty. Every time you ask what's wrong, you're handing her proof that you're more invested than she is. And that imbalance kills attraction faster than anything else. So, what do? The opposite of what every fiber of your being is screaming at you to do. The move that changes everything. Here's the move that changes everything what you need to do. The moment you notice her pulling away, and this is going to feel uncomfortable at first, you match her energy. Then you go one step below it. She takes 3 hours to respond. You take 4, she sends one-word replies. You send half the text length she does. She's suddenly busy. You become busier. But here's the critical part. This isn't about playing games. This is about reclaiming your self-respect and redirecting your energy where it actually matters into your own life. Stop posting for her attention. Stop liking her posts immediately. Stop watching her stories. Remove yourself from her digital orbit completely. This does 2 things simultaneously. 1, it protects you from the emotional damage of constantly checking if she's responded. And 2, it creates a vacuum, a space where you used to be. And humans hate empty spaces, especially when they're used to someone filling it. Now, while you're pulling back, you have to level up visibly. Hit the gym harder. Start that project you've been putting off. Spend time with friends. Go places, do things. Post about your life, but not for her. Post because you're genuinely living. When she checks your profile, and she will, she needs to see a man who's thriving, not someone sitting around waiting for her to come back, not someone who looks lost without her. She needs to see someone who's moved on, or at least looks like he has the psychology she can't ignore. Psychology she can't ignore. Here's what's happening in her mind when you do this correctly. At first, she might not even notice. She might feel relieved that you're not chasing anymore. Good. She thinks he finally got the message. But then a few days pass and your name isn't popping up anymore. You're not in her notifications. You're not reacting to her posts. And that's when the first crack appears. She starts to wonder, is he okay? Is he talking to someone else? Did I push him too far? Then she sees you're doing just fine, better than fine. Actually, you're out there living your best life, confident, unbothered, and suddenly the dynamic has shifted. You're no longer the one chasing. You're the one who walked away. And psychologically, that changes everything because now she's the one experiencing scarcity. Now she's the one feeling loss. Now she's wondering if she made a mistake. This is the power of walking away with your head high. You're not just protecting your dignity, you're reigniting the very thing that attracted her to you in the first place. Mystery. When she reaches out, how to respond. Challenge. Uncertainty. When she reaches out, and she will. Here's what usually happens next. After days or weeks of radio silence, she'll reach out. It might be a casual, hey, it might be a random meme. It might be a question about something trivial. This is the test. And most men fail it instantly. They jump at the opportunity. They reply immediately. They act like nothing happened, like they've been waiting by the phone this whole time. Don't do that. Take your time responding. Hours, not minutes. Keep your reply short and friendly, but not eager. Don't ask her where she's been. Don't bring up the fact that she pulled away. Don't explain yourself or apologize for giving her space. Just respond like a busy man who's pleasantly surprised to hear from an old friend. That's it. If she wants more, she'll have to earn it. She'll have to reinvest. She'll have to show you through her actions, not just words, that she's actually interested. And if she doesn't, if she goes cold again after one exchange, then you have your answer, and you keep living your life without looking back. The bigger picture, becoming high-value picture. Here's what this is really about. It's not about manipulation. It's not about revenge. It's about understanding your own value and refusing to chase someone who isn't matching your energy. When a woman pulls away, she's showing you who she is in that moment, and your response shows her who you are. Are you the guy who panics, who begs, who loses his frame the second things get uncertain? Or are you the guy who knows his worth? Who can walk away from anything that doesn't serve him? Who builds a life so fulfilling that one person's absence doesn't destroy him? That second guy is the one she can't stop thinking about. That second guy is the one she comes running back to. Because at the end of the day, people don't miss what they have. They miss what they lost. And you can't lose something you're still chasing. So stop chasing. Start building. Start living. Become so focused on your own growth, your own purpose, your own life, that whether she comes back or not, you're winning either way. That's when you stop being an option and you become the one she regrets letting go. If this hit you where it needed to, drop a comment with the word respect so I know you're ready to level up and subscribe because we're just getting started.